Imagine you're standing in a lab in the 1940s, surrounded by strange machines and buzzing electrical equipment. One day, a scientist named Percy Spencer notices something unusual. As he stands near a radar device, he realizes that a chocolate bar in his pocket has suddenly melted. At first, it seems like a small accident, but this moment would go on to change kitchens around the world forever. Curious about what just happened, Spencer begins experimenting. He places popcorn kernels near the same machine, and within seconds, they start popping. Then he tries an egg, which quickly explodes. What he had stumbled upon was not just heat, but a new way of cooking, using microwave radiation. At the time, radar technology was widely used during World War II. These machines produced electromagnetic waves, specifically microwaves, to detect enemy aircraft. Spencer realized that these waves could transfer energy directly into food, causing water molecules inside it to vibrate rapidly. This vibration produces heat, cooking the food from the inside out. Recognizing the potential of this discovery, Spencer and his company began working on the first microwave oven. In 1947, the first commercial microwave, called the Raider Range, was introduced. But it wasn't anything like the compact ovens we see today. It was huge, almost 6 feet tall, and weighed around 340 kilograms. It was also very expensive, making it practical only for restaurants and industrial kitchens. Over the next few decades, engineers worked to improve the design. They made the machines smaller, safer, and more affordable. By the 1960s and 70s, microwave ovens began entering homes. People were fascinated by how quickly they could heat food. What once took minutes or even hours could now be done in seconds. The real breakthrough was not just speed, but convenience. Busy families could reheat leftovers, cook simple meals, and save time. Frozen food industries also grew rapidly because microwave ovens made it easy to prepare ready-made meals at home. Despite their popularity, many people were initially skeptical. There were concerns about safety and radiation. But over time, research and strict safety standards proved that microwave ovens were safe when used properly. The microwaves stay inside the oven, and the food is heated without making it radioactive. Today, the microwave oven is one of the most common kitchen appliances in the world. From reheating tea to cooking full meals, it has become a part of everyday life. And all of this started from a chocolate bar in a scientist's pocket. It's fascinating to think that such a small, accidental discovery led to a global innovation. The next time you heat something in a microwave, remember, you're using a piece of history that began with curiosity, experimentation, and a moment of unexpected surprise.